and I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a while, but I am a kid and I have to go to summer camps too. So I have been at musical theater camp and circus camp. So today's video, we will be making butter slime. I've never made butter slime before, so this might not work. But I know you have to make clear slime and then put in this clay. I got this clay from a Japanese dollar store by my house. It's $2 Canadian, but I'm sure you can get it on Amazon. So the ingredients you'll need is borax. Mine is frozen. So I put it in the freezer. 2 spoons, 1 for your borax, a large spoon and a spatula. Glue, I am nearly out of clear glue, so I'm using this kind of colored one. And then your clay. I have 2 colors, but we'll only be using one. I want to use blue, so that's what we'll be using. Let's hope this works. Okay, I'm pretty sure you're only supposed to use like half clay, so I might have to like get a butter knife or something. So, and I'm not the best at clear glue. Okay, so we're just gonna pour in this one, which is not a whole lot, but I don't think we need a lot. So I don't know if that's good or not. I'll just put a little bit more because in videos I have seen they put in a bit more than that. So go, 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 go. I think that's good. We don't need any more slime because then it's also going to be made out of this. So here it is. Very gooey, as you would expect. So now we're going to start stirring in my frozen borax. So very slushy. I have a slushy borax, so yep. The last time I made clear slime, which is in one of my previous videos, it got a little bit too overactivated, so it was super thick. I don't really want this one to be super thick, so I'm going to try my best not to overactivate it. I might have to put in a little bit of water, but let's hopefully not do that, because I want it to be like thick, but also be able to like stretch. Ew. Lots of stirring required. And my slime will not be clear while we're mixing it into the clay, so it won't look super satisfying. So right now we got this like bubbly clumps. So we're trying to mix it in. I don't want to overactivate it, so I'm kind of scared to put some more in. Keep on mixing, keep on mixing. This might take a while. Okay. And I don't think it helps that my borax is frozen. So, just keep going. Okay, yeah, there. It's starting to kind of clump together, like trying to come off the bowl, but not really. So keep on mixing, keep on mixing. Come on, you can do it. Ugh, very gooey still. So we will just. This is probably a bad choice, but. 2 scoops. And I'm using a, okay, I think that was a bad choice because now it's all starting to clump together. Feels not nice. I think this is a mistake. Okay, so back in the bowl. My hands are a mess, but it's okay because this is a video. There. This is probably gonna fail. Okay, yeah, I think I just put too much in. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing this with my hands because I know I have enough activator. I think I put in a little bit too much, and now it's. But this hopefully will work eventually. We might have to make this a 2-part video. Hopefully not though. Okay, I don't need the bowl anymore. Okay, I'm gonna put some water in, I've decided, because it squeak till bouncy. It's like a rubber ball. This is what you need to make a rubber ball. And I don't want that. It's not even that satisfying to poke it. Just not satisfying. I'm just gonna grab a little glass and just put some water in it. And then we'll slowly add some water. I'm not gonna do this in the bowl because in the bowl it captures all the water, and then if I don't need any more, it will still be adding because it's in the bowl. So I'm just gonna mix it in on the table. And that's what we have napkins and towels for cleaning these messes. I hope the clay is very stretchy and will actually mix into this. Or we will have to make this a two-part video. Or we'll have to make this video over several days because it did not work out. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna give up because apparently you just keep mixing it. So just gonna put some water on the table. Because I assume our table is level, it is not gonna roll off. Well, I hope it doesn't roll off, or else I'll have to start over again. Hopefully, yeah, I still have a lot to do. Okay. I also have some backup in case this does fail. Uh-oh. But yeah, but it's white glue. It's not as satisfying. It's easier to make. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. I think we're gonna do a time lapse because of this mess I've created. So, bye. I will see you hopefully a few seconds. It is not great. So I'm back. So I had to put in a lot of lotion, like a lot of lotion that is basically turned white. A lot of water, not a lot of water, most of the lotion. Give the lotion the pat on the back. And glue. So it wouldn't become this little monster that doesn't stretch or do anything. And it became this. I'm so proud of myself, but it's not really clear anymore, which is okay because we're putting like this into it right now, and that will turn it like blue, so you won't be able to. I'm gonna grab a butter knife real quick. And here's the box. It looks like this, but I think some of them have different packaging. Again, $2. I got it in a Japanese dollar store. Oh, it looks so nice. I might have to knead it a little bit because it's been in the package for a while because we bought it like a couple weeks ago, but we never made the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it in half for now, and then if we need more, I'll add more. It feels amazing. So here is how much we can use. Oh, it feels so good. So yeah, I think this is more than enough. So it feels amazing. It's like light and fluffy, but it crumbles. That's why we're adding this line, because it crumbles a lot. So I'm kind of excited, but I'm also kind of nervous because I've never done this before. So I already got some glue in it from the crumbles. Oh, so many crumbles. I don't know what you're trying to say, just talk.
That plastic bag, move it out of the way.
Oh. Okay, so it looks like chaos right now, but we're just keep on kneading. And this might not end to butter slime, honestly, because I might have to put the whole thing in to make it butter slime, because right now, it does not feel like butter. It feels like green sand. It's starting to feel better though, so much. Like it crumbles before you put it in the slime, but after you put it in the slime, it feels so nice. So nice. Oh, and I think it helps it stretch too because like I have to let it sit and then stretch, but now I can just go and go. And keep going. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we're gonna do the, like, a test. You guys won't be able to see it. I don't think you guys will be able to see it. But, please don't curl back, it curled back. So, it was not really a success, but it feels amazing. Like, I wouldn't say butter, but I wouldn't say not butter slime. It's like, really close. Like, oh, this is probably the nicest slime I've ever made. I think this one's my favorite. 100% my favorite slime I've made so far. If you could feel it, like, it's like holding air. Fluffy, light, stretchy air. I'm trying to make a poop because I think this one would make a really nice poop. So, look at this. Okay, so if you do make a terrible slime like I did, lots of lotion. Just pack in that lotion. And then once you add the Daiso clay, it's amazing. So I have this little bit left, which I'm not going to squeeze because it crumbles everywhere. But overall, 100% success. Like, I love it. Okay, so I'm not going to talk, and I'll just let you guys. So it feels like a jet puff marshmallow that became like creamy and like it's so hard to describe. And like fluffy and kind of like grainy, but like in a soft way. So that's today's video. I hope you guys like it. So if you guys try it, you'll love it. Like, it's my favorite slime. It's my favorite. Like, after this video is over, I'm just gonna sit here and play with it for a while. That's how good it is. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.